Welcome back. I'm your host, Darnell Jackson. In this video, we're going to be talking about income websites. But first, make sure you subscribe at howwhy.ai. It's all about how to grow your business with artificial intelligence. Okay, we're talking about business to start with AI today, and we're talking about income websites. This is super important. Make sure you share this with your good friends and your Facebook followers. All right. Now, what is an income website? We got to ask ChatGPT. What is an income website explained for a child? Okay. What is an income website? What is an income? Let's put niche in there. Maybe it'll make it understand it. We're talking about a niche website, which is a particular topic. So this website's not talking about everything on earth. It's talking about a specific particular topic. Okay. An income website is a type of website that helps its owner make money by talking about a specific subject or hobby they are passionate about. This can be done by selling ads, products, or services related to that topic, or by getting paid for writing about it. Think of it as a way for someone to turn something they love into a job and make money from it. You got a thumbs up that, don't you? All right. Okay. Now, so let's jump into some examples. First thing I'm going to do is show you some examples of what an income website is. Okay. Let me show you some examples. The first one I'm going to go to is the domain foodtrucker.com. If you've been following Pat Flynn, then you would be familiar with this site from years and years ago. I don't know if he sold this site or not, but this was a site he developed years ago off of his interest in learning about starting a food truck. This site started generating income enough that you might be shocked how much he was making from this information site that's all about a food truck. Okay. He expanded it to include a podcast, but it started off as just an information blog with articles on this topic. Okay. Just information related to a food truck. This is a perfect example of an income website. All right. Let me go to the second example. All of these examples are owned by online entrepreneurs that I have followed and have become aware of these businesses. Okay, here's another one. This is Short Daily Devotions. And send me a DM. I'll tell you the owner of this one. I can't remember right this second. I think it's the guy's name is Lil. Call me Lil on YouTube. And so this is one of his income sites. This is a blog. It's shortdailydevotions.com. And he's talking about a devotional journey to learn about the Bible. And, so it's a faith-based topic. And he's got articles talking about you can't outgive God. And so this is some positive content, definitely offsetting the negativity that's popular in today's world. But this is an interest that he has, and it's definitely popular. And this is a great way to focus on something that you want to focus on, whether it's your faith, overcoming problems like anxiety. And so that's one problem, but also isn't paying the rent a problem that you got to solve? So if you can build a income website that'll do both, that's what you call a win-win. All right. Now let me jump to the last example. This is a huge niche site. This website, dmv.org, does huge numbers. So I just wanted to show you kind of on the high end how big you can get with these ideas. This obviously is all about getting your driver's license and dealing with the DMV, but it's not a government-owned site. As you can see at the banner, it says that this is privately owned. So this is a site that an individual owns, and he's putting out information all about driver's license, registration, and title. So this is a site that he built and he's kept, it creates a dramatic amount of income, millions and millions of visitors per month. This gives you an idea of what the potential when you're talking about a big business. All right, so I'm going to jump to a marketplace. This is empireflippers.com. This is probably the biggest marketplace where people are buying and selling their online businesses. You'll see listings such as, here's a site that's going for about $300,000. It generates $6,800 a month. So you can just see, this is just give you an idea of how serious this niche is. All right. Now, what I want you to do is click the link in the description. I'm going to just real quickly, we're going to just talk some ideas, and I'm going to use the tool that I recommend. Click the link so you can get this tool that I would recommend when you're ready to develop the ideas for your niche site. All right, click the link in the description to get this tool. Tools make the heavy lifting easy. So let me show you what I mean. So before we get into the tool, let's look at the different niches, the different topics that are very popular. Here's the site I found, the 15 best AdSense niches. Now we're looking at AdSense because Google AdSense is who pays for the ads. So they can track how much each niche is valued based on the cost of the ads for that particular niche. Okay, go like this if that makes sense. Okay. So, this kind of is the hierarchy. All right. So number one is insurance. You're talking about business, auto, car, homeowner. These are the rates, business insurance. All right. So that's a particular topic. So you can go down this list, cryptocurrency, health and fitness. And I'm just going to go back to the top. I want you to just see that there is a hierarchy. The ads in the web hosting area are different than real estate. So, you'll have to do additional research to verify everything. But I just wanted you to quickly understand there is difference in cost as you start to think about a niche. Okay. Now, let's just take a look at insurance just for this example. And let's say we wanted to start something in the business insurance area. So let's jump over to At Once. Okay. This is, click the link so you can get access to this software. I want to show you how easy this is. So if we go to website, and we can start to come up with marketing ideas. Okay. So if I have an idea for a website, let's call it Business Insurance Information Info Incorporated, right? Business Insurance Info Incorporated, and product details. Okay, so it offers detailed info on business insurance rates, right? Add product details and we'll make ideas, right? So we're just talking about detailed info on business insurance rates. Or maybe I should just put business insurance. Okay, business insurance. Okay, so let's see what types of information we'll get. This is just a live. I'm just doing this one take. Business insurance rates. Let's see. Make. Maybe we got to put more information in here. All right, so it's give out free business insurance info to businesses that sign up for our services. Host a business insurance conference with knowledge from industry experts. Create a podcast sharing business tips and tricks. Set up online referral system for customers. These are just some ideas as you're starting to initially come up with your niche. Okay. And so let's just go down some other options you can do. That's just giving you initial marketing ideas. You click on the website tab to get the website ideas. Okay. So you can come up with persuasive bullet points, and we can come up with business insurance. Okay, what should the list be about? Business insurance. Okay, so let's see if it's going to help us generate more ideas and information. You're not having to search 50 different tabs on Google and read outdated list posts from 1998. You can get updated information that you can build on right away. That's why I like this software. So let's see what it comes up with. I just gave it the high level keyword, business insurance. It's finalizing. Let's see what we get here as we anxiously wait, sitting on the edge of our seat, running out of patience. Okay, let's just see how long this thing is going to take here. As it's doing that, again, I want you to take a look at the different ideas and figure out, post in the comments, which area would you go into if you had to choose one of these top 10. Which would you choose? Okay. All right. Is it going to give me the information or not? Let's see here. Is it working? I think it's working. Some of these tools, you have to kind of work with them a little bit. But this is the opportunity. And you can generate a tremendous amount of income for yourself and your family if you just get the strategy and take action and start building. My whole perspective is to say a lot of real estate investors are willing to pay $150,000 or more for a rental property that they'll make less than $300 a month net. So why would you pay $150,000 only to make $300 a month when you could pay $5,000 and make more than $500 a week? So that's the possibilities with an online business, and you could do many multiples of that if you really want to know. So let's see what happened here. I think it's getting hung up on this particular request. I think it's getting hung up. Business insurance. It's getting hung up on this request. So I don't want to tie up this particular presentation. So I'm just going to go to another item. So if we want to start actually creating the content, then we can say benefits of business insurance for small businesses. Okay. So I can say, okay, create an article about business benefits of business insurance for small business. Let's see what we get here as it's thinking. All right. And so benefits, it helps protect business assets. Businesses also benefit. Finally, business insurance. So these are just some ways so you can brainstorm. And let me go back over here and see what other items we can create. So you can start building right away your content. You can start working on your ideas. You can start getting your headlines, business insurance info. If we want to talk about product details, business insurance coverage, business insurance coverage. Let's see if we get something here. And so, of course, it takes a little time to work through the bugs. Of course, I haven't spent very much time on the information I'm adding here. So as you actually work through the details, you'll get the results you really want. But this is unlock the benefits of business insurance. Secure your future with business insurance. Relax and focus on growing your business with business insurance, fast and affordable coverage solutions. And, it's just giving you some information to help you build. And I want you to post in the comments if you can see what you can do with this awesome tool. And if you click on the website tab, you'll get all of the particulars. Here is one that I think is interesting. This is your unique selling position. So if you put your company name in here, let's call it Sunshine Business Insurance. Okay, and the product that we're talking about is umbrella insurance coverage. All right, let's see if it'll give us some information here. And this is how you're going to get the advantage when it's time for you to build your niche business. Whether you're putting out information like the food trucker, or you are, doing something, spiritual, you still are going to have that advantage. I'm sure when Pat Flynn built the food trucker site, he didn't have something like this right in his contact for him. So here's some results here. Protect your business with comprehensive insurance coverage from Sunshine. Get affordable rates and complete protection with Sunshine Business Insurance. So these are some of the titles you can start building your content on. Experience clear skies even in a storm with Sunshine Business Insurance. All right. So this kind of gives you a quick overview. Click the link in the description and try it out yourself. Use a little bit more information. I just threw this together quickly so that you can get a quick understanding of what you can do with the tool. Click that link in the description so you can try your free trial. I think this is a really cool product. And make sure you subscribe at howwhy.ai. It's all about how to grow your business with artificial intelligence. When you subscribe, I'm going to send you the 12 businesses to start with AI today. You also get the 31 AI apps to use in your business now. And you get my email address. So when you have questions, I will be there to help you out. At this point in time, I want to thank you for liking this video. If you didn't like this video, thank you for sharing it with someone who will. Until the next time, I'm Darnell Jackson. Peace.